Let us solve this problem together. If you can do it, just pause the video and try it and come back and see the solution. This one is 3 to the power root x plus the same thing plus the same thing. That means they all resemble. So instead of writing them all, what you can is just 3 to the power root x, 3 to the power root x multiplied by 3, which will give us 81. This 81 is this to the power root x. What do? You start to put all the x together. If you like, you can divide both sides by this or by this. So I choose to divide by 3 raised to the power root x over 3 raised to the power root x. So this will go. What will happen now will become 81 power of root x over 3 power of root x, which is equals to 3. So that they have common power. So what you now you have is 81 over 3 all to the power of root of x equals to 3. Also observe that 81 can divide 3. 81 can divide 3 by 3 here, 1, 3 here, 27. So you have 27 to the power of root of x equals to 3. Also know that this 27 can be broken to 3 to the power 3. So we have 3 to the power 3 all to the power of that same power root of x and will be equals to 3. Let's continue. So we have 3 to the power of 3 root of x will be equals to 3 to the power 1. Don't forget that. And since the power is the same, this and this will cancel out. What we have here will be 3 root of x equals to 1. So you can just, if you like, you can square both sides. But now let us just divide both by 3. Because our m is to find x, so let us free the x. So root of x will be equals to 1 over 3. What you have here is root of x, but our m is to find the value of x. So you square this one too. Square this one and you square this. This will go. So x, I got of x now, equals to square of 1 is 1 over 9. Wow. The value of x here is 1 over 9. Thank you for being here. Please help me share this video.